Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
What is up, you guys? Hold on, wait till I focus. Let me go close my door. I'm letting everything in. What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE and welcome back to my channel with my fresh hickeys. Oh, nah, y'all, this is from a prank. The previous video, if you did not watch the previous video, what are you doing? Why are you coming to this video? Go back and watch that video and then come back to this video. Anyways, this video is going to be a hair review, of course, because you guys know I just love getting hair and I get hair like every day, so I have to do hair videos like every day. Nah, but anyways, let me take these hickeys off for people think something. I'm gonna take these hickeys off real quick so y'all know this ain't no real. Oh wow, these joints aren't coming off. Like I said, I am back with a hair review, right? But this ain't no regular hair review. I am back with a wig again. Hopefully, before I even open this box, I hope that this wig fits and I won't have to do no extraness to it to make it look good for me. But this hair company is called PF Wigs, 100% human hair, professional hair, and affordable price. Okay, so once you open up the box, you will get the wig, of course. Oh, I didn't even know it was body wig. I just thought it was straight. But anyways, body wig don't matter. Can I have the bag, please? Yes, I am back with my niece in this video. Once again, she's about to be noisy. Oh, there's nothing in the bag. Here, you can have it. Here. You're welcome. Okay, so I'm going to take everything out the wig. Even the hairnet. I wonder how long this thing is. Oh, it feels soft. Off rip, this joint is soft. Has no smell. It actually smells like a little bit of perfume. Yeah. I wonder how long this is. This wig I have on right now is 16. So this has to be 16? 18. 18? 18? Yeah, it looks about 18 because it's body weight. But I can say so far the wig looks small. Like it looked like it would fit my head. It's a lace front wig, but you don't have that much space as you would like with a regular frontal. But you do have enough space to do. Nah, I don't think so. You could do a swoop part, or you could just toot the wig. Okay, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 combs, which I love because, like I said, my last wig didn't have this, y'all. It has 4 combs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it has 4 combs. It has a little bit of lace in the back. Oh, I could put it up. I could kind of put it up, y'all. It has lace in the back. You heard her, right? I could kind of put it up. And it also has an adjustable band. So, off rip already, I'm already jacking the wig. You feel me? It's thick. It smells like perfume. It has 4 combs. Adjustable things, adjustable strings, adjustable, what you call it, adjustable bands, and it looks small. I'm really loving it so far. It also has baby hairs in the front, and it looked like it was already plucked, but you already know I'm gonna go in and do some extra plucking. Why are you shaking my camera, girl? Like I said, I'm going to go in and do some extra plucking. Oh, this hairline is really good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take off this wig and put on that and come back. So, yeah, this wig fits perfect. I'm loving the way it fits, honestly. Let me see how long it is. Yeah, this is about 18. This is about 18. The wig feels good. It feels so soft. I feel like Selena right now. Y'all, look, the knots probably won't even need... The knots probably won't even need bleaching, honestly. I can't even see. Lily, come on. You're making too much noise. Can you? Nah, it doesn't need bleaching. Then again, it kind of really doesn't. The knots really don't need that much bleaching done to it, honestly. It really don't. But I'm still going to go ahead and bleach it. Y'all, I'm feeling this wig. I'm feeling it. I really am. I could cut it out, glue it down the way I want. It fits my ears good. It fits everything good. This wig is good. I didn't even put the combs. Let me see. Let me use the combs and see how I like it more. Oh, that hurt my braids. That hurt my braids. Let's see. Put the I think it was a comb right here. Yeah, there was. Put that comb in. Ooh. comb in the back and okay. Now all the combs are secured. Lily, shush. All the combs are secured. And I'm really jacking the wig. Let me show you. This is me swinging the hair back and forth, y'all. The combs are stuck. These combs gonna hold you down, bro. It's gonna hold me down for real. You saw that? I took my hair and come out. Oh, not too good.
Oh, it's a 360?
Nah, it's not a 360. I would love it for wigs though.
Yeah. Shut up.
I like this wig, y'all. I'm really jacking this wig. How do I like it? Let me part it. See what I mean with the frontal, right? You can part it and everything. But the only thing is, oh yeah, I'm gonna need to pluck that. The only thing is, you don't have much space to work with. Like, this is where the frontal ends. So I won't really have much space to work with, but that's no biggie to me. Because if I have to, I will always do a flip over like this. And rock my hair. Rock my hair like that. But yo, overall, I'm jacking this hair. I really am. I'm liking it. I like it. Of course, I'm going to be coloring this hair. What color? I don't know. I don't know. But I'm jacking this wig. So shout out to PF Wigs. Let me check and see if there's anything they wanted me to tell you guys. Can't find the company, y'all. I can never find the company. Cause so many companies be in my emails, y'all. I don't be remembering. I'm gonna read you guys the details on this wig. So first, this wig is a body wave lace front human hair wig. The lace color of the wig is medium brown Swiss lace and bleached knots. So I was correct. I really won't have to bleach the knots. But I feel like I want to go in because I feel like the part, you can't really like, if I wanted to, like, I can't see anything. Oh, you could. Okay. I probably just need to lay the hair down. That's why. Okay, so I won't need to bleach the knots. That's good. That's another plus. It's made of 100% virgin human hair, so it will look as natural as it can. And it could be curled and straightened, of course. Natural hairline with baby hairs and free part. I showed you guys the baby hairs and all that good stuff. The hair gives you soft, healthy, and tangle-free with no shedding in your hair. That's a fact so far because, like I said, there's no tangles and no shedding so far. The hair is also 100% smell-free, which I said to you guys earlier, it doesn't have no smell. It smells like perfume to me. And yeah, so that is all the facts on this hair. So far, I will definitely recommend this hair, honestly, to every and anybody. You feel me? And I'm really in love with this hair. Like, I'm really jacking it. Yo, the knots are really bleached, y'all. I'm in love. I'm in love. I definitely gotta color this hair. But I don't know what color. Definitely gotta color this hair. Anyways, y'all, that is the end of this wig. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to head over to PF Wigs on Amazon. The link, everything will be down below. I recommend this hair, like I said. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch her drown. Call him up for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling out the shows.